How to download iTunes for Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a tutorial that many Windows 11 users have been asking for, how to download iTunes for Windows 11. First step is to open up your favorite web browser. You can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or any browser you prefer. Next, in the search bar, type Download iTunes for Windows 11 and hit Enter. You'll see search results from various sources. Click on the official Apple website link, which should be at the top of the list. Click on the Download Now button to start downloading the iTunes installer. Depending on your browser settings, you might be prompted to save the file or it might start downloading automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the download. Once the download is complete, locate the iTunes installer file in your Downloads folder or wherever you saved it. Double-click on the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to install iTunes on your Windows 11 computer. This may take a few minutes, so sit back and relax. And there you have it. iTunes is now installed on your Windows 11 computer, ready for you to enjoy all your favorite music, podcasts, and more. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials.